Ricky? What is he doing?
He's one of them now, bud. He's a blue robot.
Watch and learn! Watch and learn!
What the heck? Look.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the North Carolina Emergency Management Agency, Morehead City, North Carolina. All residents of Morehead City are asked to lock their doors immediately. Carteret County Police are searching for an escaped inmate from a local mental institution. The individual is described as a Hispanic male with black hair wearing a black jumpsuit. He has been observed roaming the Morehead City area and assaulting and murdering civilians. If you have access to any arms, gather them now and ensure they are in proper working order if this man finds you. Report all sightings of this individual to Carteret County Police or call 911 immediately.
Steven. Good to see you, brother.